Hey guys, it's Tech Impact and we are back again with another exciting video. WhatsApp Payments is now rolling out in India for selected Android smartphone as well as iPhones. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can get this new WhatsApp Payments feature right on your device. So without any further ado, let's get started. To get this feature, first of all, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. Check the WhatsApp version from the settings. It needs to be version 2.18.48 or above. Now open WhatsApp and tap on attach button. Inside the chat window, if you find payment option, you are good to go. But if you haven't got it already, don't worry, just follow the steps that I am going to show you. As you can see in this phone, I didn't get this feature. To activate this feature, you need to ask any of your friend who is having this WhatsApp payment feature on their WhatsApp. Then ask him or her to open the personal chat of your WhatsApp contact. Then tap on attach button and tap on payments. Now your friend need to set up their account. For that, tap the verify via SMS option and select the SIM card to verify the phone number that will start the linking process. Now select your bank from a list to link it for UPI transaction. If your friend has an account linked with the number that he or she just sent the SMS from, they will be presented with their account from that bank. Once the process is done, your friend will get this message. Now just relaunch the WhatsApp application on your phone. Inside the personal chat, tap on attach button. Now you can see that the payment option gets activated on your phone as well. Now simply set up your UPI account and then you can easily pay to anyone who has already done the UPI setup on their WhatsApp account. Remember that if you already have a UPI PIN for the bank account, you need to enter that PIN while transferring money through WhatsApp. In WhatsApp settings, now you will get a new payment option. From here, you can add a new bank account. You also can change the UPI PIN as well as remove the link of a specific bank account. Other than that, you can check the payment history as well. If you live in India and use WhatsApp, why not give this feature a try? If you get it working, let us know in the comments below. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on this bell to get notification whenever we upload a new video. And I will catch you in the next one.